So this is the agent hackathon, which proves that I am looking at the call ops, how the supervisors can use the Copilot Studio to interact and get escalations from various activity within the call center. And so you can see from this Excel file that I have billing, technical support, sales, refunds, and all this was actually uploaded on the OneDrive and connected to my Power Automate. And right now in my Power Automate, you can see that through this connection, the flow actually worked. The flow runs successfully, and immediately the flow runs successfully. We now go back to my Copilot Studio agent, and you can see that this is my call center KPI analysis and several things I was able to check. There was a question, there's an action, and there's a message. And so to test actually if this actually work, I will just come here and I say check KPI status, and immediately my agent in the Copilot Studio will send a message to respond that which center clue do you want to check? And I will say check for me claims. And immediately I enter claims, it also bring a KPI report which you can see. I will also check again, see check KPI status, and it will also respond again to me that which center do I want to check. I will say check for me VIP support, and I will run that, and my agent will also respond, and this shows that it's a correct architecture, right from my Excel to my Power Automate and to my Copilot Studio, and everything works successfully. And this also has already been published, as we can see from the video, and this shows that this is an operative track showing how supervisors and managers can monitor call center KPI analysis to check actually what is happening per time, and to also give a feedback and the process for improvement of this. Thank you.